Hey guys, it's Michael, the creator of Leaf, and I'll walk you through Paperplane super fast. Once you're onboarded, you'll have access to the Paperplane repo. Just clone it and run it on your local machine. When you open up the project, you'll find the Leaf MVC 4 application, super lightweight and super fast. The fastest way to put your business out there without actually building anything is to create a coming soon page, a waitlist page, or a beta program. Any way you want to go, Paperplane has the tools to gather emails and create a mailing list for when your product is actually ready. Now to building your actual application. Paperplane gives you everything you need, from authentication to account verification, routes to middleware, databases, billing, emails, and everything you need to take your application from hello world to the next big thing. And for every component, you get multiple variations for different use cases, so you can just pick, mix and match to build wonderful UIs. On top of all that, Paperplane gives you tips to write the best copies that sell well, together with a ton of accessibility enhanced components and SEO tools to help you rank higher on Google and other search engines. You also get early access to a ton of Leaf Zero components, page sections, and even full page templates. So you can get away with not worrying about your UI and focusing on what actually matters, your application. And there's one more gift for you. A bunch of examples like blogs, admin panels, and e-commerce websites that you can always build on top of. So there's just a few more weeks until the official launch. You can get Paperplane now for a 25% pre-launch discount and own it forever. Unlimited projects plus free updates anytime.